So imagine you make an investment of 100 at time 0. That's the cash outflow here. Then you receive 2.5 every year for 4 years, and you also get your 100 back. So that's basically the cash flow pattern of a very simple coupon bond paying 2.5 per year with redemption at par. So what do we want to know? You have two separate questions, that you would ask yourself when you think about returns. The first one is, what is the present value? So what we discussed earlier of not only just one cash flow or end value, but of the stream of the cash flow. And this is given with this formula. So you're discounting each cash flow by its a period, the discount rate power the period. And the second question is like, what is the rate of return implied by the current price and those cash flow? And the internal rate of return is the R that makes this equation, the NPV, equals to 0. So as you can see here, if we take discount rate of 2.5% in this example, the NPV comes to 0, and that means at 100 this bond is fairly priced for an investor who requires 2.5%. If the required rate is above, let's say 5%, then the NPV becomes negative, and the higher required return makes the investment not attractive. The internal rate of return is simply the discount rate that makes the NPV 0, as we discussed. And you can think of it as the rate that is buried inside that stream of number. In practice, you will not have to do this manually. You will use your financial calculator to solve the IRR or yield to maturity. And I advise you to learn how to use your calculator to calculate at least NPV and internal rate of return. It will save you a huge amount of time. You don't want to find it with average or go back to the geometric mean every time. So again, learn to use the calculator.